You know what? Soak it all in. Enjoy it because we know we've got changes moving in as well. This weekend will still be very warm. Temperatures upper 70s. There will be a couple backyards that hit 80 degrees. But showers enter the forecast today. Isolated showers possible. As we head into tomorrow, we'll start off the day with sunshine and then the showers develop mainly in the afternoon, even some rumbles of thunder. We're off to a mild start, upper 50s to right around 60 degrees this morning. Backyard temps at 60 in Hudson. Good morning to you. Mansfield, you're checking in at 59, 58 Crestline, Lorraine, 57. There is another air quality advisory that goes through midnight. Unhealthy for those with breathing problems. Again, don't idle your car, refill late, mainly after sundown, and of course hold off to mow maybe until after sundown too. Looking at your planner, variably cloudy as we head through the morning hours. Here's your 10% risk of that isolated shower through the day. At times you'll have more sunshine, other times more cloud cover, but temperatures headed into the upper 70s. And let's talk about the next 48 hours. Here's our rain risk today, very minimal. So I mean, it is low. No problems here. Get out, enjoy your Saturday. On Sunday, we'll start off dry. This is your noon hour. Right after that, our chances increase as we head through the afternoon. The timing will be between noon and 8 o'clock, and these showers will be moving in from west to east, and I'll time it out for you coming up. First, we do have a couple of showers down towards our southern communities, Carroll County and Tuscarawas, right along Holmes and Coshocton, and then we do have a few light showers in and around Richland. These are already starting to fizzle out towards the west, but because of those light showers, we do have some cloud cover around. We'll talk severe risk tomorrow as well. It's on the low side, so that's good news. The bad news is there is a severe risk. Your hour by hour forecast coming up.
Go to Mars if you had a chance?
I would.
Yeah, I think I would too. That would be just such a really cool thing to try to do, because it would be a year up, year back. But I've goof off more 2 years more than I would do and actually do something really better.
I mean, I would hope that they could find a way to get us there faster.
Sure.
by that time, but
maybe someone invent warp drive. That would be
year there,
nice.
Year back. I don't know. I mean, miss out on a lot in 2 years.
But just think of what you would see.
Yeah.
Probably just nothing but big red rocks on Mars. But what the heck?
Right. But you'll see the awesome views from space. I mean, we've got a nice view outside right now.
It is really cool.
Beautiful sunrise.
But we're going to have some clouds rolling in?
We do right now. I mean, there's a couple clouds across our area. We'll talk more about that coming up in a bit. Of course, with this dry spell, the warmth, we've got a lot of things popping across our area. So our pollen report is back. Tree, grass, no surprise here. Moderate. Mold is low. So looking ahead here at your 8-hour forecast, another warm one today. I expect us to get into the upper 70s, possibly right around 80. No record warmth. But as you notice, we've got some cloud cover around, and there is the chance of a few isolated showers. That's the key word. Isolated. Not everybody will see them. Not everybody will get wet. Well, speaking of warmth, yesterday we hit 82 degrees in Cleveland. That was shy of 85. We expected that, but look at this. Mansfield broke the record. Your new record, 84 degrees. Akron, Canton, you broke your record of 82 set back in 1941. You hit 83. And Youngstown, the winner here with the warmth, 86 degrees. So here it is in Cleveland, 82. Look at how far we are off from normal. Average high, 60 degrees. Sunrise this morning was at 6:48 and sunset is at 8:08. And we should have some beautiful sunrises and sunsets due to some of these high wispy clouds. We are down for the month for rain. We're down about 1.25 inches here in Cleveland. So we need the rain. Unfortunately, our rain chances returned over the weekend. So here's a look what's going on Storm Fox right now. There are a couple areas, spotty showers out towards Ottawa, Sandusky County. We do have a batch over towards southern Ashland, also in portions of central Richland County and around Mansfield. And then you go down towards Carrollton and also Tuscarawas County. We're seeing some showers. But other than that, most of us dry. So New Philadelphia, you're dry at the moment. spotty showers down in southern Carroll County. Carrollton, you're dry at the moment. Looking ahead here, our rain chances, well, they're returning. We've got our best chance coming tomorrow. Notice we're in the widespread to washout category. There will be a time where we'll have 100% of our area where it'll be raining, and I'll show you that coming up on Futurecast. But then we start to slide back into that scattered zone as we head into Monday and Tuesday. But at that point, we're going to have some colder air moving in. So let's track it here on Futurecast. Again, today, really not a lot going on, just some spotty showers. Tomorrow, we'll wake up to lots of sunshine. Then the rain starts to come, mainly around our lunch hour in our western areas. It will spread as we head through the afternoon. This is 4 o'clock. Everybody's seeing the rain at this point. It's out of here by the time we hit 8, 9 o'clock in the evening. Again, there could be some stronger storms embedded in that rain with some gusty winds, maybe some pea-sized hail, but the threat for severe weather is rather low. This is something we don't want to see on the map. This is Monday morning, and we'll be tracking some scattered snow showers mixing in with cold rain as we head into the afternoon. So a wintry mix possible. Much of this will just be a cold rain, but of course we can't rule out seeing a couple of flurries passing by, and this will linger into Tuesday morning. How about this? Roller coaster temperatures. We go from well above average by like 25 degrees down to below average by 5 to 10 degrees, and then we're back up the roller coaster again. So we've got roller coaster temps in store for us throughout the week. So enjoy these upper 70s today and tomorrow, because by Monday and Tuesday, mid-40s, mid-30s overnight. Again, some snow possibly mixing in with this cold rain. We rebound near 60 on Wednesday, 70 on Thursday. Same with Friday. We'll be upper 60s right around 70, but then we'll bring back the rain chances and the cooler temps by Saturday. Temps right around 50 degrees. Rosie. And good morning. Time now is 8:13 on your Saturday morning. A gorgeous start. We do have some clouds mixing in places. Lots of sunshine downtown Cleveland. You go down towards Stark County and we're seeing some cloud cover around. And the reason why, there are a couple light showers that formed earlier this morning, still around in some of our southern areas. That's the case today. I can't rule out an isolated shower as we go through the day, but most areas will stay dry. Temperatures headed back into the upper 70s. It is going to be a gorgeous one. 59 at Burke Lakefront. It's 61 in Ravenna, already in the low 60s at Hopkins Airport down to Akron. 61 in Lorain, same with Port Clinton. So on Storm Fox, yeah, there are a couple of stray showers. These are rather light, rather spotty. We've got one that's pushing through parts of Sandusky County, one that just moved through Willard. Clark, seeing some light rain in and around the area there, and then now moving out or starting to fizzle out in parts of Carroll County. So that's about it. I mean, as we go through the day, you'll see like a spritz of green on the map. Can't rule it out, but for the most part, a mix of sun and clouds. Temperatures 2 o'clock in the afternoon, mid to upper 70s. We've got those light showers popping up here later in the day. Even the evening hours looking good. I know we've got a big game tonight, so if you're headed out downtown, I think you'll be fine. By the time we hit tomorrow morning, our temperatures upper 50s, low 60s, so another mild start. Winds out of the south. We'll have lots of sunshine to kick off the day. Now, as we head into the afternoon, this is 1 o'clock, already seeing showers, maybe even some rumbles of thunder here west of 77. This will continue to close in on the rest of the area, so we've got widespread rain mainly between 2 and 6 p.m. and then it starts to exit. By the time we hit 9 o'clock, the rain will be over. The colder air starts to move in. We're in the mid and upper 40s by 9 p.m. following the front. So 79 degrees today, mixed sky with some isolated showers. Few clouds tonight. Temperatures down to 60, so it's going to be another mild night. light and variable winds. And then tomorrow, sunny start, temperatures headed back into the upper 70s before the showers and storms get here. Now, some of those storms could turn strong to severe. It's on the low scale, 1 out of a 5 category, and the main threats, damaging winds and pea-sized hail. But as far as severe weather goes, I don't expect a lot of it. Temperatures in the upper 70s here both today and tomorrow. And then behind this system, we've got the chill moving in. Mid-40s Monday into Tuesday, overnight lows in the mid-30s. There is the chance that mixing in with this cold rain will be some wet snowflakes at times Monday into early Tuesday. Otherwise, it's short-lived. We're back to near 60 on Wednesday. By Thursday, 70 degrees and more roller coaster temps as we head into the upcoming weekend. Rosie.
In itself.
Dinger's got a lot of cushion there, so
yeah, but why would you do that? You know what I mean? It's like it's Dinger. Who messes? Who hates Dinger? No one does.
Don't mess with the mascots.
No, not at all, not at all. But you know, we got Cavs mascots that are going to be parading around today.
Such a big game tonight.
It's going to be nice.
Ooh, all right, we've got perfect weather though if you're headed out and about, headed to maybe dinner before, an early dinner before you hit the game. But we've got some great weather. And we're seeing lots of sunshine. Greater Cleveland, out towards Put-in Bay. You go to the south, there are some clouds. And the reason why, there are a couple light showers that formed earlier this morning. Those are fizzling out. Pollen report is back. Tree and grass is at moderate levels. Mold is low. A record warmth once again yesterday in spots. Mansfield, 84 degrees. You shattered your record of 82 set back in 1941. Akron Canton, you have a new record of 83, and Youngstown, you are the top dog, 86 degrees. Wow. Cleveland, we were just shy. We were at 82. The record was 84. Our average high, I don't know why it's not filling in though, it's 60 degrees. So we were well above average. Once again today, we will be well above average. I love seeing your view. This was Laura's view last night. She tweeted at me earlier and said, can I have cook outside, enjoy the patio? Absolutely. These showers around today, spotty, not everybody will see them. How about this Perry sky? Look at the beautiful pinks, purples, and orange. Gorgeous sunset. This is my favorite shot. Jenna, thanks for sending this one in. Walnut Beach in Ashtabula. I mean, a glass lake. Those colors, that vibrant orange and yellow. We'll continue to see a beautiful sunset this evening. Tomorrow evening, different case. We'll have likely showers around at one point. Looking ahead here, your 8-hour forecast today in Cleveland, 72 by 11 a.m. We're headed back into the upper 70s, a mix of sun and clouds, slight chance of a stray shower, isolated shower. It's, again, 20% or less, so most areas will stay dry. This is Akron Canton. 12 o'clock, we're in low 70s. By the time we hit 3, 4 o'clock in the afternoon, too, in the upper 70s. Our rain chances, well, they're going up. We're bringing back some unsettled conditions today. Isolated. Tomorrow, we're headed towards more of a washout here towards the end of the day. So the second half of the day will likely have widespread rain around. The morning looking good. So we've got a lot of hours here this weekend where we'll have some dry time. Looking at satellite and radar, just a couple light sprinkles and showers down towards Carroll County. You go off towards Holmes and over into Richland County as well, widening out the view. The shower activity and thunderstorm activity still to the west of us today, but it's this system that's going to bring the rain tomorrow. So we're starting off the day tomorrow with some sunshine. Then as we get into the afternoon, mainly after 2 o'clock, the widespread rain, rumble of thunder moves in out by around 8 o'clock, and then look what happens behind the front. It gets colder, and we have a wintry mix that's likely here on Monday. More so cold rain than snow, but temperatures mid-40s. Good morning. I hope your Saturday is off to a great start, maybe having some coffee on the patio. We've got lots of sunshine out there right now, especially in our northern communities. To the south, though, some cloud cover, and the reason why we did have just a few light showers popping up, and that's the case. A spotty shower, not out of the question today. There's the better risk of it between 4 and 8 p.m., but for the most part, I think a lot of us are going to remain dry, so don't go canceling any plans. And if you do get a shower, it's going to be light and it'll be brief. Temperatures headed back into the upper 70s this afternoon. We could top 80 once again, but nowhere near our records. We were close to that, though. Yesterday, we had a lot of areas that broke records. Cleveland, the exception. We were about 2 degrees shy. 68 at Hopkins Airport right now. It's 65 in Akron. Willoughby, with winds generally out of the southwest. We're a little bit cooler at 58 degrees. Here's what's going on Storm Fox. Rather light, spotty sprinkles down towards the south in parts of Stark over into Carroll County, and then southern Richland and Ashland County. That's why you have the cloud cover there. The showers that were off to the west, they have fizzled out. And again, these are on the light side, so really no big problems this morning. We're just seeing some more cloud cover here to the south, to the north, more sunshine. So I do want to take you hour by hour as we go through the day today. This is 12 o'clock in the afternoon. Temperatures sitting right around 70 degrees. So we head towards 3 o'clock. There's that stray shower. Upper 70s expected. Could hit 80 off to the far west. 8 o'clock again, isolated sprinkle. Not out of the question. We're dry tonight, and we're starting off the day tomorrow with temperatures in the upper 50s. Once the sun comes up, we'll have lots of sunshine throughout the morning. Now, here's where things start to change. We'll be tracking a cold front as it moves our way. By 2 o'clock in the afternoon, widespread rain across our area. This point, temperatures in the middle 60s, but before that front gets here, I mean, look at this. Paynesville, Ashtabula, 79 degrees. I expect us to get into the upper 70s. 6 o'clock, right around your dinner hour, rumbles of thunder possible with some heavy rain. That's with the front itself. That'll continue to work its way to the east out by 9 p.m. and then the colder air comes in. By 10 o'clock, we're already in the mid 40s. Now, as far as severe weather goes tomorrow, can't rule it out, but we're on the lowest tier of the scale. Marginal risk anytime between 2 and 8 p.m. The risk will be the high winds, those gusty winds and some of those thunderstorms, and also pea-size hail. No tornado risk whatsoever tomorrow. 79 degrees, mixed sky today, 60 tonight, just a few clouds, and then a sunny start tomorrow. Rainy and stormy as we head into the afternoon and evening. Beyond that, it gets colder. We'll be wanting our winter jackets for sure. Mid 40s here, and then a cold rain mixing in with snow at times Monday into early Tuesday. It's brief, just 2 days, 48 hours of it, and then we're back to warmer temps, 70 by Thursday. Back to you.
Your dog. Gotta love your dog, but also love your spouse and your kids and whatever.
Spoil all of them.
Spoil all of them.
Why not? I mean, Mother Nature's spoiling us this weekend. We've got lots of sunshine right now in spots. Temperatures back to above average in the upper 70s. And then eventually the rain comes in.
I mean, but like you said, this was so abnormal to have. This was not the norm this past week.
Absolutely. You know, we've had a string of 9 days of dry conditions. All right, let's take us dusting off our golf clubs, and we've got temperatures quite nice. 11 a.m. 71 degrees. By the time we hit 2 o'clock, we'll be in the upper 70s. Mix of sun and clouds throughout the day today, and there is a slight chance of a stray shower here, but again, the risk so low, less than a 10%. Most areas will stay dry. Now, the pollen report is back too. Tree, grass, moderate levels across the area. How about these temperatures? Look at the highs yesterday. Everybody except for Cleveland has a new record high. And we hit 82 in Cleveland, but the record was 85 set back in 1883. Mansfield, you have a new record of 84. Akron, Canton, 83. 86 in Youngstown, breaking the record at 85. So our average high, 60 degrees, well above average. We're still well above average today. I do not think that we are going to break this record of 84 set back in 2010. Sunset this evening should be a beautiful one. It's at 8:08. We've got rain moving in. That's coming tomorrow mainly, and anywhere from about 1/4 to 1/2 inch of rain. We need the rain. We're at about an inch deficit in Cleveland, Mansfield, 3/4 of an inch, almost 1/2 inch deficit in the Akron-Canton area. So tomorrow's our best chance of rain, mainly coming in after 2 o'clock. Beyond that, yes, we are unsettled, but we're also bringing in the colder temps, meaning some of this cold rain could mix in with a few flakes, and I'll show you that coming up. Right now, we do have some light showers down in southern Richland County, also as you head down towards Carroll, Tuscarawas County. Otherwise, just some cloud cover around. Still in this bubble of warmth, but look what's lurking off to the west of us. This is actually where the front is sitting in the Plain States. That front will be moving in for us tomorrow later in the day, and then behind that, this big cool pool of cooler air filtering in. So here it is on Futurecast. Spotty today, 5:30. You can see these isolated showers popping up. We're quiet tonight, waking up mild once again with lots of sunshine expected the first half of the day in the morning. Then as we get into the afternoon, right after our lunch hour, showers develop. They will be moving through more widespread between 2 and 5 o'clock. Can't rule out a rumble of thunder and a stronger storm as that front sneaks in. Gusty winds, hail a possibility. That front out, look at what moves in. There's a chance of a wintry mix as we head into Monday. Most of this will be a cold rain, but I wouldn't be surprised if you see some flakes mixing in from time to time, and that chance goes through Tuesday morning. So enjoy these upper 70s this weekend. Monday into Tuesday, mid-40s expected, and the roller coaster temps continue. We're back up to 70 by Thursday. Rain showers around next Friday into Saturday. Back to you.
A lot of baseball fans out there. A lot of folks want to be able to watch baseball today. Little leagues are starting up.
Yep.
Dad pitch, T-ball.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
If they started up this week, I mean, man, what a week. It's April. We get these big swings, as Scott Sable has been telling us all mornings last week, that, you know, April is one of those shift months where we go from 80s to possibly, you know, in the 40s and the 30s. And of course, I always say, you know, there's a chance of snow through Mother's Day.
Right. It always happens. All right. Well, thank you all for watching Fox 8 News at home and online. Remember, when we're not here, go to our website, fox8.com, for updates 24